Hey y'all, hey, it's Lauren here. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. I can't wait to just kind of talk to you guys and tell you what's been going on and like future adventures. So starting off, today is Sunday, February the 27th. It is, let's see here, pretty much 7:30 in the morning. I went to bed late last night, woke up early this morning. I don't know, I don't like sleeping on weekends because that's like my me time and I don't like giving that away to sleep. So right now I'm about to clean up my office and get it organized. I'm going to give you all like a little room tour. But basically I went and bought this futon last night. I've been like contemplating what kind of seating arrangements I'm going to set right here. Settled on a futon because it can switch to a bed and it can lay flat like a bed, and then also it doesn't take up much space. I have a decent sized office, but my desk is huge and I actually need it that way, so I don't want to give all my space to sitting down. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little room tour, a small haul. It's not big at all, it's a few items, but I'm getting out of the habit of saying, oh no, they don't care about that, oh no, let's get bigger and then no, because if you can see, when I have that mentality, I don't make the videos. You know, we've been here for almost 2.5 years, so going on 3 years, and the house is comfortable. I'm not gonna say it's nowhere where I want it to be, but it's not hitting that vision, you know. It's not up to par. You see that? I'm talking too much. What I'm gonna do now is get started on my room. I'm gonna drink some more coffee because you're real asleep. pretty decent in here. It's not sparkling clean because I am in here and I have some stuff. I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do in a little bit with my room tour. But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the haul of what I got. Like I said, it's not a lot. But that's how you get meaningful pieces, is little by little. You don't have to buy a whole bunch of stuff in order for it to be meaningful and impactful to your home. Small changes do make an impact. So, first I'm going to start off with the couch, or the futon. I'm going to just call it a couch because that's what it is to me. And it's a bed when it needs to be a bed. But basically, this one I got from Target. It's not microfiber, which I did not want. Polyester. It was actually the cheapest one they had, which is crazy. We went on Walmart, Wayfair, all of them. Theirs were like $200, $300. I was thinking of a couch, but I was like, you know what? If I need this, you can get the convertible couches, but they're gonna be like real big. They're gonna basically be like a full-size bed. And I didn't want that. I didn't want to buy the mattress along with it. So I just got this. We don't have very many guests. And the guests that we do have, they're my children's guests. So they sleep in there with them. They're not going to be sleeping in here. This couch was $120. And it has the 2 levels. So you can do this side. There's a break in between. You can do this side to lay down. Let's say you have a sleeping child with you, but you want to keep watching a show, but your child is asleep. You can just pull this up and it'll lay flat. Like it'll expand backwards. I can't do it right now because I have it close up to the wall. But you can pull it forward and then it'll lay flat and the sleeping child can sleep right there and you can continue watching your show. This insane deal I got it from HomeGoods, okay? If you know, you know, a pillow at HomeGoods usually is at least $15, at least, y'all. I have to show you because you're not gonna believe me. You see that? $5. This was a crazy good deal. It's not down filled, it's just the regular puffy cotton fill. It's a DKNY pillow. So it's DKNY. Okay. So the next thing I got was this pillow. Now, this is a down filled pillow. This one also was originally $20 and it was $5. So I also got these bamboo natural microfiber cleaning cloths. So it comes in a 10-pack, which is good. So $5 for a 10-pack. Got some Barkeeper's Friend. This stuff, I love it. I use this on my countertops because I have the kind of countertops I have. This gets the deep stains out. One more thing. Okay, so I got this spoon rest and I can stop using paper towels to put my spoon down. So you can see. So this is the pillow. It's very, very plain. It doesn't really, it kind of has like a almost waffle material. I don't know what you'd call that, but it feels really good. The only imperfection, this little thing right here, but it has like this tan and green, which I really like. So I really like this, and it feels springy to me. I can put a pink pillow there too. It feels very springtime. So now it's time for my office tour. We're gonna start over here. So that's the bag that I just put away. That's all the stuff that I need to take out of here. So I brought this candle out of my husband's office because he doesn't use candles. I really do not like this table. I really want to replace it with a white, something tall. So something that'll come up here, like a white, not a bookshelf so much because I can't put my candles down there, but a white cabinet would be really, really nice. Really, really nice. So my vision for this room is to paint this wall like a mauve pinkish, a dark pink basically, almost, maybe not so much purple, but just a dark pink. And then I want to do like sponge it with some white, so splotches of white all over. And then I'll have my white cabinet coming up here, Maybe not to the ceiling because these ceilings are super tall. And then over here, same thing. Big white cabinet. I could put my Cricut in there and all my supplies. You know, that's just a basket of exercise equipment that I don't use. So yeah. And then here's the couch. So right now we're a work in progress. We're just making do with what we have. And that'll brighten up, and then that'll be a feature wall. So here's this window is really huge. So it looks right out to the street, as you can see. And so if I have a feature wall like this, then that's what you'll see from the street. And then I'll paint all the other walls white. So all these other walls will be white. May do pink on this one as just some, you know, some other color, but I don't know. So yeah, that's that. And like I said before, this is my Cricut machine. This is all the supplies. So I still have good range here, but I could also switch it around if I need to. I can face it this way if I need to. But I literally just threw this couch here last night, so didn't put much thought into it. So back over here, I switched out my orchid plant for this fiddle leaf. I've had this for almost a year now. She's grown 4 leaves, and we call her Leah. I brought her in here. I don't know what's going on. I feel like she might be drooping a little bit. I'll tell y'all what I like to do with her water on a different video, but I brought her in here just to see if maybe she's getting too much sunlight where I placed her. I feel like she might be drooping, so I'm trying to catch it early. So we'll see how she does, and if she does good, then I'll leave her in here. The only concern is with the shorter days, this room does not get that much sunlight, not as much as she got in the other spot. But time change is happening soon, and that might not be an issue in a few weeks. Alright, so we're coming over here. What I was showing y'all was if I put a coat hook here, but I don't think I'm going to do that because that might look tacky. So if I do anything, it's going to be a coat rack right outside my door where that huge box is. That's the front door. So I might do something there. And then I do want to get a purse hook for right here. Maybe 2 of them. So this purse is a statement purse. I really like this. It gives me boss mom vibes. It's a $30 purse from Marshall's, and I want to put it up and have it as a statement piece. This is my boss mom picture motivation. So this is me when I'm 40. I would have achieved all my goals, looking fabulous, just thriving basically. So I love that picture, and this is kind of where this is pretty much the color. This is more orangish pinky, but that's pretty much the color I'm going for my office. This is the goal right here. So I have these acrylic things that I've had for a few months. I honestly don't use them, but I do like the aesthetic of it. It looks good to me. And then here we have this is supposed to be my personal calendar of things that I have going on, but I really don't write on this either. And then this is my family calendar. We just celebrated 9 years being married. So this is the one I actually write on and, you know, just mark stuff that I need. Now here we have my heater. I love this thing. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's so cute to me. Then I have my weekly planner. This is going to be for my kids so I can write down what assignments, because their schoolwork is slacking. So this is what I'm going to be writing down all their school assignments on. This was my Pottery Barn magazine that I was showing y'all earlier. I have not finished looking through it. And then some other mail. So this is basically the pile I need to get to. I'm not going to break this down. I need to get to it, so I'm leaving it right there. And then my headset for work. Pens, more, like I don't have enough pens there. I need more pens here. This is my immediate task list. I have multiple to-do lists under here, but this is my immediate one here. My computer, my lotion, and my view, which is just dead plants. So over here, I'm working on Jael some packets. So these are packets from last week, and Jael is my daughter.
These are her workbooks. So I make packets out of her workbooks so she can do some work and show me how she's thinking during school. I don't want my baby falling behind, so just make sure that I stick with what she's learning and make sure I catch anything that she has not learned. This is my ghetto setup. I used to have a table under here that would hold the printer and that and all this stuff, but I got rid of it because it was another brown one, just like this. I thought was bringing down the vibes, like making it too dark. So I took it out, and this serves me much better. This, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this in another video because I've had this for over a year, but basically this is a barn door rail system that I have not used. I don't even think we're doing barn doors anymore, so who knows what I'm going to do with that. These are some books for my daughter, so she's supposed to be reading this stack by the end of the year. I want her to read all these books, so we're working on that. And then back over here, this is my candle collection. I do not have a lot. It looks like a lot, but it's really not a lot. So what I'm thinking I might do when I get my little setup for over here is I might get a little cabinet that pulls outwards, and I could display all my candles underneath there, which would be really nice. And up here's my TV. So yeah, this is my room tour. Oh, forgot to say, this is my sign, keep calm and pray on. And this is my children. These are my children. They don't look like this so much anymore, but they're still super cute. Alright, so this concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also comment down below what your favorite part was, and let me know if any of y'all have the $5 pillows at your Home Goods. If you don't know, please go check, because this is important stuff. But in closing, I do want to say that my whole mentality going forward is now intentional purchases, intentional things coming into my home. Of course, I can't control everything, but the things that I bring in, I'm being intentional with everything I bring in. That's energy, that's mindset, that is purchases, that's people. So being intentional with everything that I do. That being said, with the $5 pillows, although some of them were $5, some of them did not make the cut. And so it's fine to leave them at the store. Let other people find them. So if you don't have that mindset of what is this going to do for my home, or what is this going to do for me, then just leave it at the store. If you don't know, then it's fine to take it and then return it. But for the most part, if you don't even have an idea, don't just buy it just because it's a good deal. I'm speaking to myself here because that's a struggle I have. I just buy stuff just because it's on sale or I think I need to. But it's okay to leave it at the store and let someone else who needs it get it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hope y'all have a good day. Bye.